Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Robinhood application. Of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign up to create your account. If you do already have an account, just ignore all of that. Logging into your account only just get straight into the tutorial. So here I'm just going to go and open my Robinhood application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see here, they are actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they'll not ask you to do anything like that. But the second time you open the application, they will actually ask you to set a PIN code, then start using this PIN code whenever you enter the application. So for me, my PIN code is just 4 zeros here, and after I enter that, they'll actually take me into my home or the main screen of the application. So first of all, let me just tell you that you cannot use the application properly or like good. You'll not have the full options, the full access to your account if you didn't verify your account, add funds to your account, which is at least $1, and use the account through or use the application through USA, of course in real life, or even through VPN. You can find out how to do all of that in this channel. Just go and search for videos like that. So if you are already, or if you do, or if you did all of that, of course, even if you have the full access to your account, if you want to cancel order, just go to your account at the bottom right corner. Then you would like to click at the settings icon at the top left corner. Just go and click on that, and here all you need to do, just go and click at settings. So as I said, if you have the full options, you will have here an option called history. Just go and click on that. You'll find there a pending section. Just in pending, you will select the order that you want to cancel. Just go and click at cancel order, and you'll be actually good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.